I will help you translate in Filipino if you don't know. No, stop mo. What's this, Yuna?
Lula.
Wow, very good. You know this? So Lola starts with letter. Okay, later now. We will finish first.
You told me to color.
Yeah, color after. Okay, move closer. I'm taking video. Yeah. What's this? After.
Lulu.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Yuna. And what's this? This is kahoy. Does it start with letter L?
No.
No. This one? Look.
Bow.
What's this?
Bow.
Bo. In Filipino?
If you say bow, it's like bones.
Yeah. In Filipino, this is
Bow.
lasso.
Lasso.
Does it start with letter L?
Yes.
And how about this?
Lapis.
Wow, very good. You know this? So starts with letter?
L.
Okay, very good.
L.
How,
L.
yeah. How about this? What's this?
Diplo.